Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to log in your Gmail account. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. It allows users to send and receive emails and offers features like large storage, spam filtering, search functionality, integration with other Google services seamlessly. Now, how do you log into Gmail? You can open your Google browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, or Safari. So I'm going to use it. If you do not have an account, you have to create an account. But if you do have an account, you simply enter your full email address in the field. Now, if you're not using a Gmail account, the direct one, you use another Google service like YouTube or Google Drive, enter the email address associated with that account. Then you type in your account password in the field provided, type in and click on next or sign in. This will log you into your Gmail account. Now, if you don't have a Gmail account, you can simply visit www.gmail.com, which is the website, and then click on create account and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new Google account. This will also give you a Gmail. Now, I already have a Google account. That is why I'm already signed in. That is why immediately I typed in www.gmail.com, it took me straight to my online Google Gmail account. Now you can also download the app from Google Play Store. After downloading the app, then you can open it up and also sign in through that process. So this is the app and I'm in. So it's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.